Hello, my name is Mad Roleplay and I'm with Alexandria Lindsay Lexus. Just going over Scout GPS link and how it will work and take advantage of that application through your Lexus models equipped with the connected navigation for Scout and how it is easier to use that system or how hard it is to use that system. So a couple things I want to share with you is one, I have already connected the phone with the vehicle and I have already downloaded the application to the phone and I'm already running the application to my phone. So the Scout GPS link has to be downloaded to the Android or the App Store. I mean, Android or the either iPhone or any Apple product from the App Store or from Google Play. The other thing that you want to do is that the phone has to be connected on the vehicle and then launch the application from your phone. Either open it up or just put some information in there. Just it has to be running so the vehicle can detect it. Otherwise, it will just say the Scout GPS link is not detected. So two ways we can do is you hit the menu button. So you guys know what menu button that I'm talking about. It's this menu here. Okay, so you hit the menu and then you come to the screen. We're gonna go to connected navi, right here. So this is the screen that you get after you connected the phone, after you running the application. This is the screen that you're gonna get. Now I'm gonna get out of there, go to the home screen. I'll also show you how to do this through a voice command. Okay, the voice command, you want to press this button here, voice. Okay, this button here. So I'll press this so that way you see what happens here. Now I went back to the audio so that we're in the same page again.
How may I help you?
Go to connected navigation.
Going to connected navigation application.
All right, so we're back on here. So we on this same screen here, similar to the how I get to the menu with the connected navigation. Now on this, you have a couple places that you can do a couple of things. You can either go to search, you can go to nearby, or you can go to likes. Search and nearby are really exactly the same. Nearby is just a little faster. You don't have to hit letters or numbers to go to a place, for example. So if we say nearby, okay, you say gas, food, parking, shopping, ATM, and coffee. So if you want to go to Starbucks, you will click on coffee. If you want to get restaurants and things like that, you would go to food. So right now, let's just say gas for a quick since there are more gas stations and restaurants work the same way as a gas station, so it would just tell you. So here you can see that the and you can change the results however you want. This is 1.5 miles away. It says 4-mile run, $2.11. So that is the least or the cheapest gas station, basically $2.11, and as you can see, it goes to $2.13, $2.13, and $2.17. So we're gonna go back, and this time we're gonna say food, right? And then this should be closest distance, so a 0.3 miles, and happens to be McDonald's. And then we have Subway, and then Starbucks, as well as Rampart Restaurant. So those are all 0.3 miles, just a little distance more. So we're gonna go back now, and then we're gonna click search instead of oh, and by the way, to go from here, you just if you just go into the circle, you would just do this. So to get out of it, you will have, I'll show you on the controller real quick so that way you see what I'm doing. So when I was going from gas to the ATM, I was doing this. Okay, now to go from up to that, you have to either do this or do this. Now let me show you that. Okay, so and to come down, you press down a little, and you press up to go back button. Okay, I know it's a little confusing, but that is the easiest way. So now I'm back to search. We're gonna click search here. Okay, now here you see how you have to put the names. So you want to go to McDonald's, you find an M, okay, and then that's how you put, and then you letter by letter, and it takes a little bit of time. So if you go into restaurants, gas stations, and things like that, it's better that you use the other option on nearby. Another way you can do here, when you're here and you have to go to an address and you don't have the time to put that address, the easiest way is voice command. Okay, right here. Okay, and the way it will work is it should work when we were in the beginning, but I'll see if it works through here. Okay, actually maybe better that we start over as far as the address, and I'll show that to you in a quick second. But I want to show you what the search does here, so that way you know how it works. So we're gonna go back to the main menu, and then I'll show you how that works. Now you can set your work and home. Okay, you can set those two, so that way anytime you want to go home from, no matter where you are, you just press home, and and it will take you directly to there. And let me see. So now let me press the voice command, so that way you see how quick it is to use the voice command instead of a search or nearby, or but you have to know the address physically. So I'm gonna use that. Okay.
Say the name, category, or address of a point of interest.
3604 Barcroft View Terrace, Forest. Because my voice is messing up here.
Showing the results for 360 Warwick.
Okay, that's not what I wanted, so we'll go back. Maybe we'll just put the dealership address.
Say the name, category, or address of a point of interest.
Lindsay Lexus. Let's see if that works.
Say the list number of the one you want, or say none of these.
1.
Showing the results for Lindsay Lexus.
So the voice commands are much easier this way. So you select which address you want now. So like it says Lindsay Lexus Service Center, which is on our Kenwood Avenue, and the other one is Lindsay Lexus of Alexandria in 3410 King Street. Now, and instead of saying 3410 King Street by putting under the search, it is better just to say it. So I'm gonna go back and say that into the voice command, so that we can do that again. So we'll press the voice command again.
Say the name, category, or address of a point of interest.
3410 King Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22302.
Say the list number of the one you want, or say none of these.
1.
Showing the results.
So now we're gonna say drive. Oh, I know, we're gonna say like too. So, and I will show you what like does first. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click like. Okay, so that address now goes in under our like, and then we'll go ahead and press the to drive. Now so it gives us two options. One says, hey, you can go using North Quaker Lane. The other one says you can use Kenwood. Let's just use Quaker Lane, as it is less miles, 0.2 versus a 0.7. And I'm hoping you're able to clearly see. So it starts to give the directions here, and if, of course, if you miss your turn, or if something happens, it will reroute and let you know, hey, you need to do to come back, whatever the case may be. Okay, so so that sets the voice command, as well as and you don't want the navigation anymore, you hit that X, and then you say yes because you're canceling the route. All right. So now, remember how I hit likes? So any address that you go to, or any address that you physically put in the vehicle, and you just pressed likes, it will come onto the likes here. So you've already seen the nearby, you've seen the search, and now we'll go ahead and click the places that we have liked. So as it shows here, Shell Station and King Street. I did put the Shell Station on Saturday. I just did a quick video, but it wasn't enough. So I came back here and took the time to do this, and I will upload it in just as soon as I'm done here. So anytime you like something, it comes here. So like say, since the Shell Station is something that I had previously put, and I put it under the likes, we'll go ahead and press it since we have not done that. And then you come back to this screen. When you come back to the screen, you can either say drive, or you can say unlike this place. I don't see why, unless like you really get a poor customer service, and then you say unlike. But it's here, and also you have their phone number. It will also have a phone number, as long as that the place that you're going to is a business, restaurant, gas stations, anything like that, and they have a phone number. That phone number displays on here, and you can call them. It's convenient if you're able to do that while you're driving. So what you will do is that you hit call, you come back here, and then press to drive there, and you can call them ahead of time and say, hey, look, I am coming to your restaurant and I want to reserve a table, or see if they're busy. That helps out a little bit better. So it's much better. And again, this is just a small tutorial, but it's now 12 minutes and 5 seconds. So I will upload this real quick, and hope current Lexus owners or future Lexus owners take advantage of this. Again, my name is Mar Roble, and I'm with Alexandria Lindsay Lexus. If you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email or put under the comments, and I'll make sure that I get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.